Hello.
Good evening, Mr.
So, hi. Haven't talked to you in like a year, I think. It's been a while. I know I've said I was gonna come back for a while, and that just never happened. I think this is finally the time because, anyways, so as you can see, I'm here in my car. Surprise, I can drive. And I just wanted to do a little life update and just kind of tell you like what's going on in my life, you know, get to know me a little bit more. Some of you may be brand new. I mean, a lot of things have changed in my life since the last time I made a video, which was like over a year ago. Yeah, I have my seatbelt on.
Safety first.
Don't worry. And we're just gonna jump right into it. Wow. Oh, we're already playing music. Okay, that's fantastic. I also have some songs on my phone that I'm going to share with you that I've been jamming to at the moment. Why am I so weird? Okay, let's drive. I think the last time I actually made a video, I was like 15, 16? I don't know. But I got my license last year, 2017. Surprise. Also, okay, we got a snowstorm last night, and guess what day it is? Just take a guess. So I'm wearing orange because we are still feeling the fall vibes. Okay, my camera rig is not the most professional right now.
Oh, no.
Anyways, so yes, I can drive. Obviously, I'm driving a car right now, and I apologize if the sun is blinding. It's like almost 4 o'clock, and since the times changed, the sun goes down at like 4 p.m. now, so the sun is currently setting behind me. Oh, I'm a senior in high school. That's pretty cool, I guess. I am extremely excited for college. I applied to college almost a month ago-ish. I kind of want to make a video on the colleges I applied to and like kind of the application process. Oh my god, a truck just almost ran into me. That's really cool. It's literally the hardest year of high school so far, and I mean, it's kind of also my fault because I'm taking like 3 APs and like 2 honors classes, but it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, like I said about the snowstorm, wow, I'm all over the place here. We had a snow day. That's why I'm filming this, because I was really bored, and I'm like, hey, you know what? It's time to start up the old YouTube channel again. So, some exciting things happening in my life, besides being a senior in high school. I'm going to in February, like February winter break, I guess, and on top of that, I'm going to again, oh my god, 2019 spring break. I will hopefully be making a video. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it or just make a cool little like montage video, but it'll be something. I love making travel videos. That's like one of my favorite things to do. Okay, so maybe I will hop into some jams real quick. Here we go.
What the f though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow.
I sleep with the gun, and she don't know. Here we go.
Overtime and overdue. I overuse myself.
What's next? Oh, Ariana Grande is killing it right now. I mean, she always is, but still.
And for Pete, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex.
Ice water turning on it. Night calling in a fan. All the dogs free. We out in these streets. It's that Z shit. It's that Z shit. Looking like I still do fraud. Every inch of skin is got a scar. I can see you got everything now. Stop pretending you got everything now. I need it. I want it.
I am not a huge country fan, but this song got me in the country feels.
Got a flag on the front porch. You got a dog named Waylon. I might not end up in the Hall of Fame.
sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. Winter's here, my dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. And he in sicko mode. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey.
Don't dress it up, but don't beat it around the bush. Don't cover it up, but don't push it in the night. Don't keep it inside.
So, yeah, I really know that I didn't update you guys on my life a lot. I mean, I kinda did. I was really kind of hoping to do a senior in high school day in my life video. Thought that would be kind of interesting. Like, I know other people have done these videos, but I feel like it's interesting to see certain people's days. Like, everybody's different. I'm really excited to kind of change up my channel and do like a different style of videos. Obviously, I'm doing kind of like a vlog-ish right now. I'm hoping that this was kind of like a fun little, I don't know, way to reintroduce myself to you guys. I mean, by the snow, you can kind of tell that I live in the Northeast. Yeah, I live in upstate New York. Whenever I tell people I'm from New York, they're like, oh my god, I love this city. I've always wanted to go. I live in upstate, sweetie, but nice try. I am extremely excited to show you guys the whole college moving out process. I'm gonna go dorm shopping. I am gonna meet my roommate. I'm gonna have hella college week in my life videos. I'm hoping college won't be that stressful to the point where like I can't have fun. I have a lot of things planned. Like I said, I'm going on a few trips in the spring. I'm graduating high school. Like, what? That's a thing. Oh, by the way, I'm turning 18 in like less than 3 months. That's a scary thought. I'm slipping. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I am really gonna try to make some really cool new content for my channel and be different, because I've changed over the last few years and YouTube has too. So I'm gonna adjust to the changes and just kind of be more of myself on this website and connect with you guys a lot more. So please also leave some video suggestions in the comments down below, because I want to make content that you guys like too. I'm very excited for the future and I hope you guys are too, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.